So lesson 5, this is actually about remote work. Now, everything I've shown you so far, hopefully you've seen how easy it is to keep everything in sync. That's why in lesson 4, I just wanted to touch on keeping everything in sync. But the idea of remote work has been around for a long time, but it's only relatively recently where it's kind of gathered momentum. But because of the technologies and how these technologies interact with each other and how these apps can actually work via the cloud, it makes it insanely simple to actually work remotely. However, you have to have some sort of a framework in place. And hopefully with what I've shown you in these past videos, you can see how simple it is to actually have it all synced up and working and have a framework to actually work from. I find that if you don't have a framework, generally all hell breaks loose and it goes to pot and nothing happens. So the whole point of tech minimalism is to be able to have the technology there so you're not fighting with it, so you're actually focusing to do your work, but that effectively helps you to work remotely because you're using the right technology to help you focus to be able to remote work. So again, it doesn't have to be complicated or difficult. The technologies are there. They're actually insanely easy and cheap to set up. Gone are the days where you had to have servers and everything and copying and connecting your phone to your computer. The technologies are there to actually have everything within the cloud so you can work remotely. But having a framework is quite important in keeping that remote work machine working so you don't have to be fighting with a bunch of cables and a bunch of computers and servers and so on. Anyway, I really hope these lessons helped you out. And again, thanks for taking this course. If you have any questions, by all means, hit reply on the email that this video came in. You can go to techminimalism.com/contact if you actually need to send me an email. And hopefully, I'll see you online. Have a great day, and I'll talk to you soon. Ciao. Bye-bye.